Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Okay, first question. What would you is a good profit margin? I think they meant to say what would you say is a good profit margin. I don't know how to price some items. If you could give some examples, that would be great, LOL. Okay, so I feel like that is, the answer to that question is gonna be different for everyone. It really depends on your like financial status. It really depends on, you know, your cost of goods, if fees are gonna be involved and everything. So yeah, that's like a really personal question that I can't answer for everyone. I feel like everyone's answer is going to be different because everyone's financial situation is different. Next question, I have a pair of jeans that has a junior size and a women's size on it. What size should I list it as? I personally would probably list it as a women's size and then put in the comments the equivalent junior size, just because I feel like, I don't know, I don't, me personally, I don't sell a lot of juniors clothing or juniors size clothing in my closet, so I would just be more apt to put the women's size and then just let them know like, hey, this is also what it is, an equivalent junior size. Next question, do you trade? Is it even allowed? I do not, and I get comments almost daily from other sellers asking me to trade. It is allowed on Poshmark, you can do it. However, your trade isn't like protected like a normal sale would be. So basically what you do is, I think, I've never actually traded with someone, but what I've seen people do is, you know, you guys will go through each other's closets, you decide on what you want to trade, and then make a listing. I think you mark the listing down to $3, or is it $4 now? Is $4 the cheapest you can go? I feel like that changed. Did that change, or am I making that up? Anyway, you mark the listing down to like the lowest price that you can go, and then you just kind of go from there. You personally don't want to trade because it's not protected by Poshmark, and I would have a hard time trusting a random person. Like, I just got a comment the other day and the girl was like, I have over 300 trades, I'm trustworthy. I'm like, no, just buy my stuff, give me money. I don't want to trade. So no, I do not trade. Although it is technically allowed, it is not protected by Poshmark. Protected, it's not protected. Okay, next question, why do you not sell on other platforms? So I was actually talking to my husband about this the other day, or he was talking to me actually and trying to convince me. He wants to open up an eBay store. He actually sells on Poshmark and Mercari, and honestly he's killing it, he really is. But yeah, he wants to open up an eBay store, and I have sold things on eBay before, and I don't know, I just don't, there's just too many moving parts. Poshmark is just so easy. Yes, the 20% fee sucks, but I feel like convenience wise, it's worth it. I actually got an email the other day because I have sold things on Mercari before, so I do have, technically I have a Mercari account, so I still get emails from them, and they upped their fees, I guess. Hold on, let me see if I still have a screenshot. So yes, they charge a lesser fee than Poshmark does. Mercari charges 10%, Poshmark is 20%, but Mercari, starting October 1st, is going to charge, it says all new listings will include a 2.9% plus 30 cents payment processing fee when the item sells. So they're implementing more fees. I know with eBay, there are fees, you know, there's a listing fee, there's a final value fee, and I don't like the thought of getting an invoice like at the end of the month. I like just having it taken out of the listing at that time. It's just easy. It's just one less thing for me to keep track of. Okay, and last question, who are your favorite resellers on Poshmark and who do you not like? Okay, so I can definitely tell you my favorites. So who do I like? I like Jenna from Empty Hanger. I'll have these people linked down below, you can check out. I think all of them have YouTube channels, I'm pretty sure. I'll link whatever they have down below, their Poshmark closet, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. So Jenna from Empty Hanger. You know what, I'm gonna actually have to go to my YouTube subscriptions to see. I love Nikki, her YouTube name, well, she's got a couple of channels, but her reselling channel is Nikki's Beauty Buys. I love her, I think she is hilarious. I wish that we lived closer because I would love to be best friends with her. Hi Nikki, if you're watching this. I don't know if you watch my channel actually, do you? I don't know. But yeah, she is super funny and I just love watching her videos. She's super smart too. She knows what she's talking about. And she's currently pregnant, which is amazing. I like Amber from Amber Resells. Kimmy, I think she just changed her YouTube name. I think it's, why am I pointing? Kimmy Cope, I think it is. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I think she just changed her like YouTube name recently, I think. I love watching her. I found that her and I kind of have like the same personality and same views when it comes to a lot of things Poshmark related. I like Rosa. I don't know how to say her last name, but she's Briar Rose with some number at the end. I'll link her channel down below. Who else? Of course, I have to mention my girl Erin the Insomniac. She actually started out on YouTube doing like beauty videos, and I've been like talking to her online for like 10 years, I think. Like, it's crazy. She's a reseller now too, and she's awesome. Like, she's definitely an OG. I love her. I love my girl Jess, or I thought she was my girl, but I actually went to check out her Instagram account and she blocked me. So Jess, if you're watching my videos, I know you watch my videos, did you mean to block me? What did I do? What did I do wrong? It wasn't an accident, because you sent me a message about being like on a podcast, and then like literally the next day I was blocked. I don't know if it was an accident, but I haven't been able to contact you back yet. So I still love you, even if you did block me on purpose. I still love you. I really enjoy Mackenzie's channel. Her Poshmark name and YouTube name is McThriftsy. I like Millie and Monica. Her name is Monica. Millie is her mannequin's name, which is super catchy. Like, I don't know. I just think that is one of the coolest like reselling names I've heard of. I don't know. I just think that's so cool. Murrayed Life is another really good channel. Oh, Rally Roots, for sure. Rebecca the Reseller. She's also homeschooling now, so I've been like obsessed with watching her homeschooling videos too. Rockstar Flipper. Who else? Taco Stacks. So he sells on, I think, eBay, but I just love watching his videos. Like, he does like day in the life videos where he goes to like garage sales and like picks up things on the streets, and he does a lot of like storage unit buys, and I think his channel's really cool. Taco Stacks. Plus, I love that name. Like, oh, I would love a stack of tacos right now. All right, hold on. I need you guys to answer this question. How many tacos do you guys eat in like a normal sitting? Like, my tacos, I only have like 4 things on it. It's not like a full fat taco. And I can eat like 7 or 8 in one sitting. Is that a lot? Is that a lot? Please comment down below and make me feel better, and let me know if you guys could eat 7 or 8 tacos in one sitting. I feel like now that I've said that out loud, that's a lot. Oh, Hustle at Home Mom. I love her channel, and so many others. As far as the people that I don't like, so I mean, I'm not gonna name names, but unfortunately there have been some people that I really enjoyed, you know, like watching their YouTube videos, or you know, following them on Instagram, but I've recently discovered their like shady and unethical business practices, and now I don't like them anymore. And I'm not going to call anyone out, but yeah, I just don't like the ones that you know, cut corners to get ahead, or the ones that just flat out lie, like the ones that make YouTube videos and they're like, oh, I made $10,000 this month. And it's either one or two cases. It's like you go check out their Poshmark account and they're totally lying, or they are not disclosing the fact that that is gross sales. They're kind of leading people to believe that that's net sales when it's really gross sales, and they haven't deducted cost of goods or any fees or anything like that. So I just don't like shady, misleading people like that. I could name a lot of names, but I'm not going to. If this was like 2010 Vanessa, I would name a lot of names. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.